Hi, I'm Pamela Salzman. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's cooking class, we are going to talk about avocados, one of my favorite foods. They are so good for you, full of really good, healthy, untouched, unrefined fats, lots of antioxidants in the form of vitamin E, such a good brain food. And what's super popular? Avocado toast. Why? Because it's amazing. But I use avocados in everything, in smoothies, in salads, in chocolate pudding. It's great for a reason, okay? So it's creamy and delicious. So what I'm gonna show you today is a couple of things. Number one, how do you pick a good avocado? Honestly, it's easier than you think because you gotta start off with unripe avocados. Don't go to the supermarket looking for those perfectly ripe, kind of soft avocados. You are gonna be sad when you get home because they're probably gonna be brown and like squished because everybody's been touching them and squeezing them all week. Start off with the hard ones, green, and then ripen them at home, okay? Stick them next to an apple. Apples let off this kind of ethylene gas and it helps to ripen other foods more quickly. So stick it next to an apple if you want it to ripen a little bit more quickly. If you really need it to hurry up, stick it in a paper bag with an apple and then just like crumble it up and then you'll get that to ripen a little bit more quickly. So again, start off with the unripe ones. All right. When it's ripe, you want it to just give slightly by just squeezing it. You don't want it to actually be soft. If it's soft, then it's gonna be mushy and the flavor changes too. So you just want it to like give to gentle pressure. If you're not ready to eat your avocado at that point, stick it in the fridge and it can stay there for a week or even more, okay? But that's gonna halt the ripening process. All right, now when you're ready to cut an avocado, we gotta be pretty careful, okay? But this is how you do it. You're gonna start off with a good sharp knife and you're gonna cut around the avocado. I usually just start at the stem end. Feel that pit and then work around the pit. Put your knife down, give the avocado a twist, and it should come off very easily. Then you're gonna take your knife and kind of hack it into the pit, but be careful. And then twist your knife, pull the pit out, and then be careful taking the pit off of the knife. Use a paper towel if you need to, or a cloth, because that pit can be a little bit slippery and you don't want to cut yourself. Then decide, do you want to make cubes with the avocado or do you want to make slices? I like to score the inside when I make cubes like this. Take the tip of your knife and then just make a crosshatch pattern in the avocado, and then take a nice big serving spoon, scoop out those cubes, and then they're ready to go. For slices, it might be easier to scoop out the avocado from the shell with that spoon, put it on a cutting board, and then slice it the way you want with a knife. And there you have it. Perfect avocado slices and cubes every time. All right, for more tips and tricks like this, visit me at PamelaSalzman.com or just come back next week and I'll see you in the kitchen.